Hello, welcome back. Persons love to sneak into fraction problems. And today one is hiding right in the middle of our chain. On the board, 4.5 divided by 75% multiplied by 2/3. Two temptations can ruin this problem. The first is treating 75% like a whole number. Then the second is jumping to the multiplication at the end before the division has had its turn. Either shortcut leads you straight to the wrong answer. So we will do neither. Before any operation, every number on this board needs to speak the same language. Fractions. 75% means 75 over 100. And dividing top and bottom by 25 leaves 3/4. 4.5. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9. 9 halves. 2/3 stay as it is. Our chain now 9 halves divided by 3/4 multiplied by 2/3. With the chain translated, the order takes care of itself, left to right. 9 halves divided by 3/4. K, T, F. Keep, change, flip. 9 halves times 4/3. Cross cancel and we get 6. Then 6 multiplied by 2/3, 12/3, which is exactly 4. So our final answer is 4. So remember the two guards on this gate. A percent is never a whole number. It always over 100. And equal priority operations never let you skip the line. And the fingerprint, if your answer came out to 9, the multiplication jumped to the cube. Now you know exactly where it went wrong. Your turn. On the screen, 2.5 divided by 50% multiplied by 4/5. A percent in the middle, a trap at the end. Drop your answer in the comments. I'll pin the correct one. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.